or the turn signal indicator. Turn signal on. I've baked my headlight. I'm half baked myself. We have one more video, so. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are back with another video on Mike's mighty Mercedes S600 V12. This is video number 47, 48. I don't know how many videos I've squeezed out of this car, but today we're going to fix a common problem. I've had several of these W220s in my life, and each and every one of them had horrible, horrible headlights. These are even the updated ones, the newer ones. Yep, but still, look what happens. They get really funky and old and cloudy, and this has a huge line for some reason right across right there. Now the first version is even worse. Look how bad that one is. The first version is even worse. Those things look like this. That's horrible. Yeah, nowadays you want to see inside. You want to see the projector and all of that kind of stuff. This first version on a car makes it look 20 years older than it actually is. But we're going to address this situation. Look how old my hands look. Anyway, we're going to address, that's even worse. We're going to address the situation right here. Let me show you what it looks like on the S55 as well. If you'll notice, I have the S55 on the other side of the magic fence because I've been driving her. But look at those headlights. Those aren't as bad. Okay, this one is actually kind of clear. This one over here is a little cloudy. Okay, now you can, get toothpaste. Some people, I like this metal polish. That seems to clear them up real nice, and it makes a big difference, and it really, really helps. But thanks to a viewer, we are going to address the headlights on this 2001 S55 AMG and the 2001 S600 V12. Woo, 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 which is one sexy car, although everybody is commenting about the wheels. You either love them or you hate them. I think they are perfect. See, they're perfect. Love them. All right, let's see what's going to happen today. Tell you what, thanks to my good friend Chris at CKM Car Design, I got a couple of boxes. By the way, I'm going to put his link not only right here, maybe a little lower, right here. We're going to put it below the video. But Chris at CKM Car Design, how many times am I going to say that in this video, was kind enough to send me some boxes, and I'm going to show you what's inside. First thing he noticed, look at this right here. Yeah, look at that baby right there. Look, yep, turn signal indicators that go right here into your side mirrors. Is that not going to change everything about the car? This is a long shot, by the way, in the news business. I haven't done one of these ever in a video, but that is going to change the car significantly. He was also kind enough to send me something else, and this is what we're here for. I'm going to change the turn signals as well, but I do want to show you. Look at this, baby. Look what he sent. Look at these things right here. Look how clean. Look how clean. Look at this. Look, okay, there's some wrap. There's some plastic wrap on it, but when you take it off, this is a beautiful one piece. Look at that. Look how clear that is right there. Yes, sir, Bob. Yep, and these go right over here. This is also going to change the appearance of the car. Old and yucky, new and pretty, unbelievable difference. Okay, so to do this, what do we have to do? Well, we got to start cooking. Yep, this video, we're cooking up some new headlights, baby. And it is time now to take our headlight out of the oven. We have basted it. Let's get our gloves. This is the worst Julia Childs impersonation ever.
Julia Child presents the Chicken Sisters. Miss Broiler, Miss Fryer.
Oh, it looks so lovely. Look at this, just a beautiful example. Look at what can be made in your kitchen. At this point, I've lost control. I've baked my headlight. I'm half baked myself. And it's become time for separation. It's really warm, so I think we're going to be able to separate this. Okay, because I tried the first time and I couldn't get it done, and then I wasn't happy with the way it looked, and I didn't want to misrepresent anything. So basically, we're just going to take this apart and we're going to give it the old college try, because the other one, the driver's side headlight, came apart so easy. And this isn't the real stuff that they've got on this. Okay, this is some other, this has been done before. So whatever they've used to attach this, yeah, this is new. This is some messed up stuff here. So hopefully we'll be able to separate this and get it working again. I don't know what's going to happen. I know I look ridiculous in this apron, but I couldn't resist. So we're going to get this hopefully apart so I can put the new one on. This is the one that did not want to come apart though earlier. Maybe I should cook it a little more. See, that's where it got real hot right there. Okay. Yeah, it does not want to come apart right there for some reason. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're going to do this with a little time-lapse video. Probably some knives and a lot of cussing. So, children, cover your ears. I do not like how that went down. This chrome piece was hanging on for its dear life. It did not want to release from the headlight lens. But she did finally, okay? We're gonna give this a quick little cleanup, but let me show you. Look at all this gook. Look at all the gook everywhere. This is what it used to look like, which isn't terrible. But this is what it's going to look like, which is, look at the difference. Old and hazy, which the haze was on the inside, by the way. New and shiny and beautiful. So we will put some more sealant around the edges, and then we'll put it back in the oven. Lens down, this on top, so it will all seal together, and then we will put the clips on. I got a handful of clips right here. Okay, so this goes back into the oven. We'll cook it for about 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out and glaze it one more time. Are you tired of Julia Child? Yeah, me too. This is what your turn signal indicator cover, side mirror cover looks like with the mirror attached. All right, some people take these off, some people don't. Basically, if you want to take them off, this is a little tab right here. See this little piece of metal right there? That holds the tab that holds this together, okay? Unplug the connector, boom, it comes off. What you want to do to get the housing off is there is a little tab right under here. It's a little metal tab. And if you push it down like this whole thing is going to release. Okay, see? There it goes. Now, this is really particular. And this is so much fun because, oh, this has been replaced already. Look at that. Yep. This is an indicator. This isn't factory. This is like the one that Chris was kind enough to send me. Okay? But look how crappy that looks. Look how horrible that looks. Now, the thing is, other than having water somewhere, this connector isn't long enough. So what I usually do is end up cutting this, soldering it on to the new one, and then making it longer and using the original connector. I don't have the original connector on this one. So that's going to be so much fun to do. There it is right there. Okay, that's the little metal tab right there. Right there, that's what you push up to get this thing off. This is actually where they plug in on the other side right there. Okay, that's your attachment point, and it goes in the middle too. If you don't have the original tab, then you just put the little pickle fork in the middle too. So let me show you what's happening. To remove the turn signal indicator, you have two little Torx screws here and here. These are little bitty, as little small as I could get on my little assortment of Torx drivers here. So these just come off, and then this just pops out. Okay, and I want to show you something here. Oh, okay, there's water trapped. Yep, that's okay. Here we go. That's what it looks like. without. This is what we're replacing, and look at the black paint. This is kind of an indicator of just how professional the paint job was. They didn't tape this at all. They just kind of and went with the spray. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this and add the length onto the new one to make this super long so we can actually have the ability to plug it in, okay? So while I do that, why don't you guys listen to some music? Basically, all I'm going to do is cut off the old one right there, cut off this one right here, and solder them together just like that. All right, here's what she looks like. Isn't that beautiful? This is old. This is new. What a big difference. Yep. Chris, thank you so much. Love it, love it, love it. Once again, as with the headlights, we have a link to his website right here and down below in the description. We'll put this back on the car and she is going to be happier than ever. And we've got her all reattached. This side was so much fun, let me just tell you. But you know what? It's worth it. Look how much better it looks. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Those are razor blades that I had to use, and I had to use some double-sided tape just to get that mirror to stay on there. Look at this side. Beautiful, and they work, and everything is good. So, job well done. Da-da. I would show you, but the battery's dead. Of course. Yep, like always, the battery is dead. All right, the gang is all here. Yep, Legend and Lola, they are here for the big unveiling. Yeah, you want to see something beautiful? You want to see something gorgeous? Other than a big old V12 engine. Yeah, I got a big old V12 in here. And a pointed star. Yep, there we go, the pointed star. My low battery just came on. Hopefully that worked. Okay, we're going to lower this. You ready? We're going to walk, we're going to walk, we're going to walk. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yes, sirree. Okay, so this is what happens when you spend a little time and a little love on a Mercedes. Look at the headlights. Brand spanking new, don't they? Those are gorgeous. Yes, the gap is kind of big around here, but my top tab is broken, which is fine. And look at this. Look at that. Yes. Other than all of the pollen and the little tree nuts that have fallen on this girl, look at her. I couldn't be happier. That is one beautiful W220 V12 S600 Mercedes with her shiny wheels. Yep, and we have also addressed the calipers and all of the redness there. And here, we've also addressed something else. You see anything new? You see anything new? Oop, there it goes. Yep, see, we've addressed that, and we've addressed right here as well. See, much better in black. She's better in black. Okay, I also fixed the bumper. There it is, cover. Yep, it wouldn't stay, so I had to glue it, which is fine. That's okay. My neighbor's having some roofing work done on his house right there. Yeah, right there. So, sorry about the pounding. But anyway, we'll show you the backside too. This is even better. Okay, I need to address this. I have two little chips right here, so I've left the tape here. But look, we got us a V12 S600, baby. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And once again, I found the back cover. So we're going to take that off too. Look. Is that not gorgeous? Holy moly, she is a beautiful car. I got to tell you, she is beautiful. Even covered in pollen. She looks so good. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, with that said, I think I'm done. I think I am done with this S600 V12 Mercedes. I have fixed everything that I could fix, that I'm willing to fix, and this car is 110 times better than it was when Randy and I got it and dragged it home. The inside looks great. The outside looks even better. And I got to tell you, those headlights and the new turn signals, oh, mamma mia, they're beautiful. They are gorgeous. So, I hate to say it, but I got to say it. It's time to say goodbye. It is time to say goodbye to the S600. Oh, wait, no, I can't. I haven't even compared it yet to the S55. Well, forget all of that. No, I'm not saying goodbye to her yet. I've got another video to do. Once the S500 or the S55 gets fixed, we have one more video. So, forget all of that I just said. Yeah, rewind, start over. We have another video, so I'm not saying goodbye to her yet. But we got to take her for a spin sometime too and really just let her run. So we'll do that as well. Okay, folks, sorry to scare you. I just got way ahead of myself. But, wow, she puts a smile on my face every time I look at her. And she puts a dent in my wallet every time I think about her. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Check out the merchandise below. I have all kinds of t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, all that kind of stuff. Coffee mugs, which are fun to use. I have some in the house. I use them all the time. I'm working on the hats, and I, of course, have those Monkey Wrench Mike stickers. I did have some people go ahead and cash at me, $3, but you didn't put the address. So if you haven't received a sticker from me and you did send me a Cash App, then send me your address somehow and tell me your Cash App. Because there's literally 3 or 4 people that I have tickets or stickers and envelopes and letters ready to go. I just need the address. And one I returned because I didn't have the address. Okay? I promise you I will get the stickers out as soon as I get an address. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for being with me on this dull, little old V12 journey. Yeah. All right, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.